in Africa with about 250 million people. Often, people now mostly community are in total darkness due to inadequate electric supply. Also, recently, the price of fuel has gone high and people cannot fuel their generator. Also, food security and hunger everywhere in which people feed themselves and their family. Solar energy and security motion alarm sensor happen to be the solution to these challenges. Solar energy and security motion sensor alarm devices are suitable for areas having higher solar radiation with more than 300 days of sunny days. The solar energy has several applications in agriculture, rural development, and cottage industry. Solar pumping can be useful in irrigation and solar PV sprayer and duster in plant protection in addition to power generation. Solar dryers can dry fruits and vegetables efficiently and effectively. An animal feed solar cooker can boil animal feed for milk animals, which can result in increased milk production. Solar PV winorer can separate grains from straw. In addition, solar devices can melt wax for making candles. This device can solve theft vandalizing of farm inputs, especially in the north, where there is Boko Haram and banditry. These activities will increase farm income and reduce losses. Overall, the scope of different solar energy sources is enormous, especially in villages, for the benefit of farmers.
Name is
My
AC.
name is Akinretoye Esther.
Name is AC.
Lagos State Model Senior College, Agboa Ikosi, Education District 3, Lagos State. The title of our project is Solar Energy and Security Motion Sensor Alarm as a solution to security challenges in food production. Security motion sensor detector alarm is a technological device that is used to detect intruders around our agricultural facilities like processing and storage facility, farm and other workplaces in food production through signals and alarm. This device helps to checkmate the intrusion of any person coming into the compound or premises, hence creating awareness on security consciousness. Solar energy is a technological device which is used to absorb the sun's rays and convert them into electricity or heat energy. Solar cell development. Solar cell is an electronic device which converts solar energy directly into electrical energy through the photovoltaic effect. It is a typical semiconductor PN junction device. When the light falls on the device, the light photons of certain wavelengths are absorbed by the semiconducting material and electric charge carriers, electrons and holes are generated. These carriers diffuse to the junction where a strong electric field exists. The electrons and holes are separated by this field and produce an electric current in the internal circuit. A typical silicon PN junction solar cell has a type wafer with a very thin coating of N-type silicon over it, back electrical contact of metal paint and front electrical contact of very fine metal grid.
Resources needed for our project are the solar panel, the inverter, our battery for storage when there is no more sun outside. Then we have LED bulbs to light up the farmstead. We have cables for connection of the solar panel to the LED bulbs and other places. And we have resistor to prevent burning of our LED bulbs. Thank you. Assembly of solar module is done by simply connecting the top metal contact of one cell to the bottom metal contact of the other cell in series. Initially, modules with 36 cells were manufactured, but now we have modules in the market with 60, 72, and 120 solar cells. When solar energy is received by the photovoltaic cells in the solar panel, the solar energy is transformed into electrical energy and moves down the cables through a series of connections till it gets to the inverter, which is going to transform the energy. And sometimes battery may be included or not. If battery is included, it's going to pass through the battery, which is going to store it temporarily till when it might be later used, and then passed on to other electrical devices which may need the electrical energy. Picture of a farm settlement where different farming activities are going on. Here there is a farm structure where farmers can put their tools after work, and this is rice plantation, maize farm. Solar energy is used in the solar panels for irrigation when there is no rain. We also have the poultry farm here and pig farm here. And so after production, when harvesting have been done, there is need for storage of our food, and we cannot be secured without security motion sensor. So when intruders enter the farm to steal or commit other atrocities, the buzzer here is going to make a notification so that the security personnel can come and take care of the matter. Thank you.
In summary, the potentials of investigation of solar energy and security motion sensor alarm as a solution to security challenges in food production. Due to the fact that insecurity and banditry has high the fuel price, it is necessary for this project to solve the challenging of insecurity in food production of the following contribution. Safety. It provides safety to our farm, homes and industry. Monitoring or control measure. It is used to monitor the movement of persons, visitors and thieves. Technology. It encourages the use of technology in security. Reduction in crime rate. It reduces crime as criminal will be detected. Save labour. When combined with uniform security like army and police, it reduce manpower that we employed for security services. It's a renewable energy. It can renew itself after usage. It is free and cheap and reliable. It is pollution free. It creates jobs, supports economic growth. Conclusion. This project was designed to find out a solution to security challenges in food production, the feasibility of using solar energy to power security system in food production facility.